Many electric vehicle companies are working around the clock to come up with their own electric vehicles and flood the EV market. Unlike other electric vehicle segments that have more or less been dominated by Tesla, the electric truck territory is still up for grabs. Electric vehicle manufacturers are scrambling for that market by stacking up the trucks with stunning features while also trying to compete on the price. However, Elon Musk's Tesla is still one to beat in the EV manufacturing industry. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss Elon Musk's cheapest electric vehicle that has sent shockwaves throughout the entire auto industry. But before we get right into it, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for more of our videos. Now, during the 2020 Tesla Battery Day conference, Elon Musk confirmed its next car would be a hatchback, becoming the smallest and comfortably the cheapest Tesla yet. The Tesla hatchback is going to start a new chapter for the automaker. Rather than offering ultra-premium cars that cost more than a year's salary, Tesla is getting into the growing low-cost EV market with a car that's set to cost just $25,000. But why is Tesla doing this? Well, it's all to do with how much electric cars cost to build. When the first Tesla Roadster came out in 2008, components for electric cars were really expensive. That meant Tesla had to sell its cars for a lot of money in order to make a serious business case. But since then, the cost of all these parts has dropped massively, so Tesla can start selling smaller, cheaper electric cars without making a loss. While there's still a lot we don't know, both Tesla and CEO Elon Musk have revealed enough to give us an idea of what to expect and when to expect it. Elon Musk confirmed that the car will cost $25,000. It's unclear whether it is the full purchase price or if that includes the potential savings discount Tesla advertises and supposedly includes potential federal subsidies and gas savings. Basically, the car could realistically cost more, especially since Tesla has been raising prices very regularly over the past year due to various supply chain issues. The most recent price hike was, in part at least, due to the rising price of nickel, which is a key component in many EV batteries. Well, Tesla hasn't announced its new hatchback will be called, and some outlets have taken to calling it the Model 2, presumably because it's smaller and cheaper than Tesla's current entry-level car, the Model 3. However, Elon Musk has already refuted that particular point, killing any chance that the car would be called the Model 2. Not that it was particularly likely should Tesla stick with the naming convention of its previous cars. That's assuming Tesla even opts for Model H and doesn't follow the example of the Tesla Roadster and give the hatchback a more ordinary name. However, Tesla hatchback doesn't quite have the same ring to it as Model H. And we know very little about the Tesla hatchback's performance at this point, since Tesla hasn't revealed anything about the motor. However, given the car's price tag and presumed size, it's likely that it only has a single electric motor, though whether it'll be front or rear-wheel drive is unclear. Tesla has yet to produce a front-wheel drive car, so it seems rear-wheel drive is the more likely candidate. As for the range, we have just a few confirmed details. That being said, Elon Musk previously said that the standard range Tesla Model Y was discontinued last July because it only had 244 miles of range. Evidently, Musk believes that anything less than 250 is unacceptably low. So unless there has been a major philosophical change at Tesla in the past year, we can likely expect a minimum of 250 miles from the Tesla hatchback. And that is just a snippet of today's topic of discussion. Keep watching as we unveil the hatchback's design, features, battery information, and release date. So while we don't know what sort of battery capacity to expect, Tesla has already revealed some big promises about the hatchback's battery. Promises that suggest it will come powered by the new 4680 battery cells, which are the same cells set to be used in the Tesla Cybertruck and the 2022 Model Y. The 4680 cells use a tabless design which promises to offer 6 times the power and 5 times the energy capacity of comparable batteries while at the same time reducing the cost. That would be why the automaker can hit that coveted $25,000 price tag, which is something no other EV in North America has quite managed. Currently, the cheapest model on sale is the $27,400 2022 Nissan Leaf. The battery is also going to help support the hatchback's underpinnings, which will help reduce the car's overall weight. Combined with a smaller, lighter design, Tesla claims this will increase the hatchback's range by a further 14%. It's not clear what sort of charging speeds to expect with this car, though it will no doubt be compatible with Tesla's supercharger network. We would be very surprised if it didn't have the same 250 kilowatt maximum as other Teslas. And on the design and features, we haven't seen any design specs or illustrations of the Tesla hatchback, which seems to have been deliberate. That said, a hatchback is a very particular design, so we should expect some sort of Tesla-like vehicle that looks like a blend between Tesla Model Y and something like a Nissan Leaf or VW ID.3. It's also fair to assume that most of the traditional Tesla features will be available in the new hatchback, including the company's infotainment system, access to the supercharger network, and more. What we definitely know is that the car will have some form of autopilot involved, with Elon Musk promising the vehicle would be fully autonomous. We seriously doubt that it will have level 5 autonomy, wherein the car does all of the work and there's no need for an attentive human in the driver's seat. Our guess is that Tesla's full self-driving autopilot will be available, enabling the car to navigate itself on highways and possibly even city streets, provided there's an attentive human behind the wheel ready to take over at a moment's notice. As for release, Tesla originally announced it was ready to release the hatchback at some point in 2023. However, that was assuming the car didn't fall foul of delays, something Tesla is all too familiar with. In fact, considering the delays affecting both the Cybertruck and the Roadster, it doesn't look likely that the hatchback will arrive anytime soon. CEO Elon Musk even confirmed that the automaker is not currently working on a $25,000 car. Apparently, the automaker is more focused on ramping up production of existing cars, like the production-challenged Model X and the eventual launch of the Cybertruck. Musk later confirmed that 2023 would be the year the Cybertruck, Roadster, and Tesla semi-truck will launch. Or at least that's the plan if more supply chain delays don't get in the way. There's been no word on the $25,000 hatchback, and it's likely we won't be seeing it next year. But there are still a lot of unknowns with the Tesla hatchback, though it seems that Tesla is going to offer that same Tesla experience in a car that's both cheaper and smaller than its current lineup. That's a good thing, and hopefully means the company's many competitors will follow suit and launch high-range electric cars for a low price. Of course, we will have to wait and see what happens and whether this car actually arrives in 2023. It's all well and good thinking about what could be, only for the car to be delayed like so many Tesla models before it. But we do have some high hopes, and we're optimistic that Tesla can pull this one off without a hitch. Well, what do you think about the all-new Tesla hatchback? Will the giant electric vehicle making company pull it off by next year? Let us know what you think via the comments section. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time.